Hi, friends! Have you ever wondered why a fly gets stuck in a spider's web, but the spider doesn't? Let's discover this amazing spider secret. Spiders are amazing animals called arachnids, with 8 legs and the special ability to spin strong silk webs to catch food and protect themselves. Spiders make webs using a special silk produced inside their bodies. The silk comes out through tiny organs called spinnerets, located at the end of the spider's abdomen. Here's how they build a web. First, the spider releases a silk thread that catches onto a nearby branch or wall. Next, it makes a strong outer frame to support the web. Then, it adds spokes from the center, just like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. Finally, it spins a spiral pattern. The outer spiral helps the spider build the web, and the inner spiral is coated with sticky silk to catch insects. Do all spiders build webs? No. Not all spiders make webs on walls. Some spiders don't make webs at all. Instead, they hunt their prey by jumping or chasing them. For example, jumping spiders and wolf spiders catch insects without using webs. Out of more than 50,000 known spider species, many build webs, but thousands of spiders are active hunters and never spin webs to catch prey. Is the whole web sticky? No. Not every part of the web is sticky. A spider builds 2 kinds of silk. First is sticky silk. This silk has tiny glue-like droplets. Its job is to trap insects that fly into the web. When insects touch it, they become stuck. Second, dry silk. This silk is not sticky at all. The spider uses these dry threads as safe walking paths. Think of them as little roads built into the web. The spider remembers exactly where these safe paths are. How does the spider walk without getting stuck? A spider's web is not completely sticky. The spider carefully walks only on the dry, non-sticky threads. It also has tiny hairs and a special coating on its legs, which help prevent the sticky silk from sticking. That's why the spider can move safely across its own web. What happens to insects? Insects don't know which threads are sticky. When they fly into the web, they get trapped. The more they struggle, the more stuck they become. The spider feels the tiny vibrations in the web and quickly comes to catch its food. Now you know the amazing secret. Spiders don't get stuck because they build smart webs, know exactly where to walk, and have special legs that help keep them safe. Nature is truly incredible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.